At Charles Schwab, we work hard to keep your money safe. Whether you invest or bank with Charles Schwab, we've got you covered. Let's talk about how your assets are protected. To begin, there are several parts of Charles Schwab, including brokerage and banks. Each must comply with separate regulations, which provide different types of protections to clients of each entity. Let's start by looking at the brokerage. The first thing to remember is your securities held at Schwab are yours and not commingled with Schwab Bank. The SEC's Customer Protection Rule also safeguards customer assets at brokerage firms by preventing firms from using those assets to finance their own proprietary businesses. Even in the very unlikely event that Schwab should become insolvent, these segregated securities are protected against creditors' claims. In addition, Schwab is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, or SIPC, sometimes called SIPC, which protects clients in the rare event that a broker-dealer fails and client assets are missing due to fraud or other causes. According to SIPC, most broker-dealer failures happen with no securities missing. Historically, 99% of eligible investors got their investments back in failed brokerage firm cases that SIPC has handled. Additionally, in the event that SIPC insurance wouldn't cover all customer losses, Schwab has invested in additional third-party insurance to extend protection even further. Charles Schwab Bank is a separate entity from the brokerage. Customer deposits at Charles Schwab affiliated banks are protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, which insures customer deposits up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank based on ownership category. What's protected by the FDIC includes deposits in investor checking accounts and investor savings accounts. Also protected by FDIC are cash deposits held in brokerage accounts that are enrolled in Bank Sweep. The Bank Sweep feature automatically sweeps the uninvested cash in your brokerage account into one or more program banks. In summary, whether you invest or bank with Charles Schwab, we work hard to make Schwab a secure and safe place for your money.